Hello everyone. My name is Rinku, working as an assistant professor in Department of Management in RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus. Today we are discuss about the topic that is discharge of contract. What is discharge of contract? A contract involves two parties. First one promiser, second one promises. When a contract is made, certain obligation develop on the parties to the contract. When the party to the contract fulfill their obligation, the contract is said to be executed. Discharge of a contract implied termination of contractual obligation between the parties. Various modes and ways of discharge contract. First, by performance. Second, by mutually consent or agreement. Third one, impossibility by of performance. Fourth, by lapse of time. And fifth, by operation of law. And last, by breach of contract. First one, by discharge by performance. Performance is journal accepted method of discharge of contract. Performance implied doing what is stipulated in the contract. Discharge take place when the parties fulfill their obligation within the time and manner of prescribed manner of contract. For the example, Ram makes a contract to sell his house to Mohan for 10 lakh. Here, when Mohan pay 10 lakh to and take possession of the house, a contract is deemed by the complete because both of parties have fulfillment there the promiser. Natural mode and when parties a contract performed by the promises. Performance may be actual performance and tender performance. Actual performance when parties fulfill their obligations according to the term and condition of the contract and thereby actual performance. Second one, tender, also known as offer of performance and attempted performance. Parties offer to perform the contract, but there the other party does not accept it. Second one, discharge by mutually consent or agreement. A contract is made by the consent or agreement of a parties to it. It can likewise the termination by agreement of the parties to contract according to the section 62 if the parties to a contract agree to make a new contract or reject the prevailing contract to make change in it. Following ways: first one, novation, alteration, recession, remission, and variant. Novation means replacement of existing contract by new one, may be between same and new parties. Second one, alteration, when one and more term of contract are changed. Third one, recursion, cancellation of contract by mutually consent. Fourth, remission, acceptance of lesser fulfillment of a promise that was made. Where intentional abandonment of right which a person is elected to under of a contract. And third one, discharge by impossibility of performance. Initial impossible. An agreement to perform an impossible act is avoidable into discovered by the treasure by the magic. Second one, sufficient impossibility. A contract capable to be performed after the formation become impossible or unlawful as an it result avoid. Factor that makes contact is avoid. First one, destruction by of subject matter. Contract destroy without the fault of promiser. Second, failure of purpose. Formation of a contract depend upon happening of a certain event of if event does not happen that contract is discharged. Third one, death of personal incapacity. Contract depend upon the existence of particular person, the contract, discharge of the illness, incapacity, or that of it, that person. Second, change in law. Contract which are the lawful when made become unlawful due to change in law. Declaration of war. Contract entered into with an enemy during war avoidable into. Last, discharge by lapse of time. Contract discharge by lapse of time. The Limitation Act 1908, in case of breach of contract, legal action should be taken within a specified times. If a contract is performed within a specific time, each party to is must perform is promisor within the stipulated time. On the completion of stipulated time, the contract of discharge. Next one, discharge by operation of law. In some situation, a contract may be termination by operation of law according to the section 37. Contractual termination of operation of law following way: first one, insolvency; second one, merge; third one, material alterations. Insolvency, court declaration of a person as insolvent. Merge must take place when an interior of right available to the party merge into a superior right available to the some parties another contract. Material alteration, change in material term of contract without the consent of other parties. And last, discharge by breach of contract. The failure of a party to perform its obligation. The breach of contract may be actual breach and anticipatory breach. Actual breach occur by the one party when party falls in to perform the contract when performance is due. On due date of performance, parties falls to perform on due date of contract. Second one, during the course of performance, party perform a part of contract but refuse to perform in remaining part. Anticipatory breach occur when party declare is intention not to perform the contract before due to date. Express breach, parties communicate to other parties not to perform that the contract. Implied breach, a party does not and act within the make of performance by contract of impossibility. Thank you.